Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove and clean the throttle body on this Volkswagen Up from 2013. The throttle body on this car is located on the intake, on the right side, on the driver's side, just below the air filter box. So the first step is to remove the air filter box. You've got the air hose over here, just pull it out. This is coming from the PCV valve. Now you can just grab it and pull it up. From this hose you can push this little plastic pin out of the support. The air filter box is out. On the throttle body you will find a connector. In order to unplug it, just press on this tab and then pull it out. Next, with the T30 you've got 3 bolts which are holding the throttle body on the intake. There we go, the bolts are out and the throttle body is free. Now one test you can do with a voltmeter at home. On the throttle body you will see on the connector down there 6 pins. You will notice down there they have some numbers. So you've got pin number 5 and pin number 3. You have to probe them with your voltmeter. So I will try to not touch other pins. The voltmeter shows full continuity between those 2 pins. Now when you press on the throttle flap you will see this number increase. If I let it go faster you will see 51. That's a good sign. It means the throttle body works properly. At least the flap and the signal which is sent to the PCM is alright. Now you can see on the back of the throttle on the intake side there is a lot of carbon buildup. So remove this rubber gasket. Now you can go ahead and use some throttle body cleaner and use some paper towel to clean it up. The black debris or anything that's built up around will stop that air coming in, so you will not get the right amount of air and the PCM will think that is coming more air into the engine when in reality the air is stuck. So that's why it's important to clean this area, especially in between the flap and pipe. Alright, now the throttle body is much cleaner. You can almost see through between the flap and the hose. So place the new gasket on top on the intake. It has its own indentation over here. When you press the old gasket you should feel it that is sitting a little bit above the level of the intake. So in that way when you press the throttle body it will seal, because that's the purpose of it. So it's not necessary to replace it unless it's damaged. You can see the throttle body has 3 holes for the bolts and it has a 4th one which goes lower over here and it should match into this pin. Do not tighten it too much because the threads are into the intake which is plastic, so just hand tight them and that's enough. And one more thing, you will see when I turn the key in the 2nd position and then turn it off, the computer will learn the position of the throttle flap by moving it a little bit. So let's see that. Finally, let's install back this air filter box. Make sure that the PCV valve stays in this direction. Place this pin into this rubber bracket. Connect back the hose. The filter should pop in like that. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel and you want to see more car repair videos, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, drive safe and I will see you soon.